Nakakalungkot siya. I felt bad. Wala siya ng motivation, and honestly, it is kind of disappointing. No, it's not kinda. It's disappointing at all. Overall, I mean. But I learned that instead of aiming for perfection, I should aim for patterns. Feeling ko hindi ako creative. Feeling ko nagpapanggap lang ako. But eto na naman ako ngayon. I'm filming another podcast. Nagkakaroon ako ulit ng drive. Hindi ako consistent sa pagiging sobrang push ko sa mga bagay-bagay. And that may also part of the reason kung bakit halos naikot ko lahat ng job title, because they are really trying to know where I will excel much. I found myself happy whenever I am creating events. Things get harder nung nag-work ako sa BPO. Daming mong bagay na kailangan gawin. If you're in a BPO setup, you need to be consistent if you wanna get promoted. Pero hindi ako dumating dun sa point na I am consistent because I am consistent and I never get promoted. There's always something happening na nag-i-stop para ma-promote ako. Hindi ko magawang ma-promote. Frustrating kasi kahit yung mga TL ko and the manager, sinusukuan na nila ako. Kasi I can't be consistent. I shifted into a different kind of work. Nagpa-refer ako dun sa kakilala ko na nag-freelance na that time. Luckily, I got hired. Hindi siya madali. I don't have a choice, but I need to prove them. You need me. Guys, I need to be consistent that time. Wala akong kapera-pera. Baon pa ako sa utang kasi